Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for all info you need to know when you're just trying to survive on a budget. We're looking at the Gorilla Carts Heavy Duty Poly Yard Cart. Now what I liked about this is it has a handle and you can store the handle inside the longer handle and hook it up to your riding mower. It goes for around $120 on Amazon. If you want to learn more about it, I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're taking a look at the Gorilla Carts. Now, it is towable, durable and rugged, quick release dumping, 800-pound capacity, 5 cubic foot capacity, and it goes for $120. The bed size is 36 by 24. The wheel diameter is 10 inches. And another thing I liked about it, other than being able to store the handle, is the wheels are replaceable in case you do something to them. I've seen that on Amazon too. I'll have a link down to this below and to the wheels. Let's go ahead and get it open and see what it looks like. Okay, first impressions, the parts seem rather solid and heavy. The bad part is I do already have one tire that's flat. Okay, I'm just hoping I put some air in it and it works all right. The rest are filled. They're solid. And they don't give you any tools to put it together, so you're gonna need tools. The inside dump part has some like white spots in it. I don't know if that's going to be a problem later down the road or not. Let's go ahead, get it together. Now everything's numbered. It does have step-by-step instructions telling you what all tools you're going to need. And for each step, it shows you how many of each you're going to need. Number 1. There's the first step, second step. Okay, I got it all together, as you can see. Now the handle here, you just pull some pins and it'll flip around and you put the pins back in. You can hook it up to your riding mower. But I found a bunch of white spots on the trailer. I don't know if that's going to be a problem in the long run or not. The one tire being flat, that kind of upset me. So with the white spots, a flat tire, I'm going to take a point off for that. And I noticed putting it together, you put like railing in it. get like a railing put around. And it does have drain holes in it, so that's nice. The dump part, just a handle. And flip it up. Okay. So, I mean, for 120 bucks, I'm impressed. The quality's almost there if it wasn't for these white spots on a flat tire. So I'm gonna give this a solid 4 out of 5. It's well worth the 120 bucks. I couldn't find nothing like it in the store. So yeah, it's worth the 120, definitely. 4 out of 5. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.